beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If today's the first time that you're here on my channel, the MM Beauty channel, then welcome. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. So what is up to for today? Today we're making this wearable smoky eye with a pop of color in your tear duct area. I'm using drugstore brands like Wet n Wild for my paint palettes, and I'm also using the Magnified Spice palette from Rimell London. And for the brown, you could use any brown that you have. I used the one from my Pure palette that came in my BoxyCharm for last month. And I have this eye is perfect now that Thanksgiving is so close, 20 something days away. Not even 20 something. We're about 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving. So yeah, this will be a very good wear look for Thanksgiving Day. You could bump it up or tone it down. I don't have no lashes today because I wanted to keep it very wearable for anybody at any time of day. But you could bump this up and have it very sassy and very babavoom. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on notification button. That way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So if you're interested on this look, then keep on watching. Let's go. Hey guys, so as you can see, one eye is completely done. This will be my smoky eye with a pop in the center, in the inner corner eye. And this will be very simple, like I said before. So the first thing I'm going to be using pretty much, it will be two palettes. It will be my Magnify Eye Spice Edition from Rimell London, which is this one right here. Other palette that I will be using, I got this one from my BoxyCharm, and I didn't do a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of October because I got my box really late. So this is my Pure Midnight Masquerade. So this is how this palette looks like. And I use, for the actual brown color, I use this color right here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, eye is already been primed. I set my eye on top but not on the bottom. So I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to take it with a nice fluffy brush. And as you know, I like brushes from Wet n Wild, so this is a dollar brush. So I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm going to place this, stamp it in my socket area just to give my my eye some shape and some dimension. And that's how I like to start my smoky eye. I'm going to make this user-friendly. That way it will be easier for you guys to follow the tutorial. I'm going to do one more run. And by stamping it, you're kind of blending the color in. I don't have to go too crazy in my blending technique. Then as soon as you have that, you're going to go windshield wiper motion. And then I like to go kind of circular to start blending the edges and everything else. Then I'm going to go with a deeper shade, which it will be this color right here. And I'm going to start going with a different brush. I'm going to be taking the brush that I got from Walgreens, and it's like a more tapered brush in the middle. So I'm just going to stamp that with the color that I already told you. Get some color, and then I'm going to go, instead of go straight on the crease, I'm going to go just a little bit lower, and I'm going to form the shape doing the same stamping motions. And then I'm going to bring it a little bit higher to meet with the color that I was using. I'm straight in the socket area. And then I'm going to go windshield wiper motions. I'm not going to go up. I'm going to keep it right here because I want my eyes to be a little bit more rounder. Okay, then I'm going to get a Real Technique. And this is a what? Real Technique branding brush, and it's a little bit smaller, like you can see. I'm going to go with the shade that I used before, and I'm going to go higher just to blend this out. And I'm going to go very small circular motion. I don't want this out to be all blonde out. I just want the color to peek through, and I'm blending, not bringing outwards. I'm just going to keep it very rounded. So I'm going to stay within this area here. Okay, then I'm going to get my Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'm going to be choosing the color brown. And I'm just going to get some product, and I'm going to place this all over the lid, but I'm going to start on the bottom and then go in towards the crease area, but I don't want to cut my crease. I just want to stamp it. And by doing so, by stamping and moving back and forth like windshield wipe instead of windshield wiper motion, you're going to follow the socket of your eye, and I'm just placing the color in. This is how it's looking or showing. And using the Pure Night Masquerade palette, I'm going to go to use that brown shade, Getting and Wet and Wild brush, but it will be like the taper one that I was using. Getting the color, and this will be the color brown that they have on the palette, just to seal the deal. And when you use these type of technique, like using a cream base, is just going to make sure that the eye will accentuate and will show the colors even better, and then you won't have that brown flipping and flopping all over your eye. It's going to stay right in there. And then using the fluffy brush from Real Techniques, I'm just going to blend this, and I'm going to go windshield wiper motions. Going back with the brown, I'm going to go straight to the socket area so I could place more product there. And blend this again. What I'm doing, I'm barely touching the skin. Just using rounder motions, circular motions, and then windshield wiper motions. Right, with a very clean brush, I'm just gonna pass it through. That way everything looks completely blended. And we don't have no harsh lines. And if you can see, that's pretty much what I did to the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom. Now I'm gonna use smaller brushes. This is a tiny brush that I came on a kit. I'm gonna start applying the brown. Then I'm going to be using a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out first. And using the other edge, I'm going to go back to the Rimell Spice palette, and I'm going to take some of this with a little bit of the other color, which it was this one right here. And I'm going to blend this out. And instead of going this way, I'm going to go up, since I don't want this to just explode on my eye. Underneath my eye, I'm going to look up. And I'm going to meet this in the corner. Then using the same paint palette, I'm going to be taking the color beige. I'm going to use a tiny, tiny brush, like this one. I'm just going to get some product, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner. I'm just going to want a base for the shimmer color, and that's it. And I'm going back to the Pure Masquerade palette, and I'm going to take that color blue. It's not really showing blue, it's showing some different color because I blended in. So I'm going to get some product with the same brush. And it looks very intense right now, but wait until I blend it in, it's going to lose some of the pigmentation, and that's what I was going for. And using the tiny brush like this, and I'm going to blend this in, so we'll lose some of that pigmentation. And getting a tiny bit amount of the silver from the Pure palette, which it would be this one right here. And I'm going to place it in the center on both sides. And then I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty Maximum Lash Mascara. Maximum Lashes. And I'm going to coat my eyes as many times as you want. I love this mascara because it gets my lash hairs very, very opened. I'm going to comb them. And I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lashes, so I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finished the bottom of my eye. Like I said, I put the lash, I don't have no lashes today, so this is a very wearable look. For my lippies, I have the LA Colors Matte Liquid, and this is in Suede. And this is the color right here. And they like underline, line my lips, and this is pretty much it. It's a matte, and this is it. So I really like this look. This will be a more sultry, smoky eye that you could do like for Thanksgiving and things like that, but it's very wearable. If you want lashes, you could vamp this and do so many things, but as a base, this will be the perfect. And I was looking something more grungy and more darker colors that I could use now through my fall season. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Also comment below what looks you want to see from me. I know that I have to do a look on the video that I made with my hair color, so that one will be coming after this one. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Know that I love you so much, and come back. I'll see you. God bless you. Bye bye.